How to activate your Wells Fargo credit card online. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to activate your Wells Fargo's credit card, first of all head over to any of your browser. Then go to wellsfargo.com and from there tap on the login button. To get logged in, you require your username, your password, and then tap on sign on button. If you do not remember your password, you also have the option to forget username and password to reset it. And once you have been successfully logged in into your Wells Fargo account, you will see a section of all cards. From there, choose the credit card that you want to activate and then go to activate the new card. In that option, you have to now provide your account number, social security number, expiry date, and it will also ask for additional information for verification. So once you have given all the on-screen prompts for the security verification, you will receive a notification that your card has been sent to activation. So this is the process by which you can activate your Wells Fargo credit card online. In case of any confusion, you can also contact the customer support for the service. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.